Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can find a product key on your Windows computer. Before that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now, to find a product key on your Windows computer, you can open command prompt by typing cmd in the start menu. Now type this command in the command prompt and hit enter. You can find the command in the description. As you can see, the product key is being displayed here. Second method is you can just open registry editor by typing regedit. Click yes if you see a prompt from the user account control. Head over to local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, and the software production platform. Click on this folder. On the right hand side, you can see a registry, backup product key default. Beside it, you'll have the product key. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.